Number one cause of bankruptcy in America is due to medical bills. How f***ed up is that?
Life insurance is so key to the strength of your financial house, and we're gonna go through all of the reasons why. So the first type of life insurance that we're gonna talk about is term life insurance. It's the most inexpensive life insurance there is. It's super cheap, and it's generally for a period of time. Well, it's for a period of time, generally from 10 years to 30 years. And if you die in that period of time, then your beneficiary, who is whoever you choose, gets that money tax-free, okay? And it used to be that you had to die to get money from your life insurance. Now there's actually newer policies and newer features with something called living benefits. It is so vital to have this benefit in your term policy. And basically, it allows you to have access to the death benefit while you're still alive. And that's if you got hurt or sick and it affected your daily activities. So if you were to get, let's say, cancer or have a heart attack, or even something like arthritis. Arthritis you don't die from, but it can definitely affect your daily activities. Term insurance is so inexpensive. You get so much money for such little cost.
We're talking about permanent life insurance now. We talked about term first, now we're talking about permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance is designed to last your entire lifetime. So term covers you for up to 30 years typically. It can be longer, but the price is gonna be a lot higher later. So some people get permanent life insurance, which means it lasts the entire lifetime. Permanent life insurance also has another feature. It's not for everybody, but here's how it works. So this feature allows you to use life insurance as a store of money. You can, just like you can send money into a bank, just like you can send money to Wall Street, you can actually send money to a life insurance company and it can grow inside of your policy, something called a cash value. Why would anybody do this in the first place? Why would I store money inside of my life insurance policy? Number one, taxes. Life insurance has a certain tax code, a different tax code than say your retirement account. So your money can grow inside of a life insurance policy and you can access the money without paying any income taxes on it. The second thing is inflation. So life insurance has guarantees that can make sure your money grow beyond inflation. I think everybody should have at least a term policy with living benefits. And then depending on your income and your cash flow, you can start looking at it. You can also have a permanent policy that allows you to build cash if that's what you want to do.
Because there is a lot of different opinions and things that are out there about life insurance. And if you hear anybody talking about how one is better than the other or one is bad, it just really means that they don't have a clear understanding of how they both work and when they would be appropriate. Because we use both. And it really just depends on your financial situation. So be careful if you hear people like bashing either one. It really means that they don't have a full understanding of how they actually work and how they're used.